All right, let's get this box open. Inside, the NMD R1 navy blue, or the store said blue, but I'm calling it the triple blue or the all blue because I love that it has blue boost. I've been searching for an all blue Adidas Boost sneaker for ages. It's been on my radar. Finally found a pair and it was on sale. Only 120 Australian instead of the tag price of 200. So that's $80 US versus 130 retail. The only downside is there is some gluing marks visible. You can't see these on my Prime Knit Pure Boosts, but it's not a deal breaker for me and kind of explains why these shoes are on sale. They're super comfortable. I love wearing them. I'm even thinking about going down and picking up another pair. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.